Today we are going to discuss regression equation problem. So here he has given the age versus the blood pressure data he has given. We have to find out a regression equation y on x and find the expected blood pressure of a person who is 49 years old. That means for 52 age it is the blood pressure is 62, for 63 it is 53, like that he has given the data. For 49 years old of a person, what is the blood pressure we have to find out using the regression equation. So for that one, the regression equation y on x is y minus y bar is equal to r into sigma y by sigma x into x minus x bar. Okay, where r into sigma y by sigma x is equal to n into sigma dx dy minus sigma dx into sigma dy by n into sigma dy square minus sigma dy whole square. Here one more thing, x bar, this x bar is nothing but sigma x by n. Similarly y bar stands for sigma y by n, where dx stands for x minus assumed mean, dy stands for y minus assumed mean. So till now what we have discussed is the regression equation y on x and what are the x bar, y bar, dx, dy, like that we have discussed. Next what you have to do is for the formula, what are the required columns that I am defining, x and dx square. Okay, similarly y dy square and dx dy. So in x I am going to write the age values. Okay, similarly I am considering the assumed mean as 50. You can consider the assumed mean whichever you like, that is not a problem. You have to consider the assumed mean as you like. Here I am considering it as 50. So 52 minus 50 plus 2. Similarly 63 minus 50 plus 13. Similarly 45 minus 50 minus 5, and so on and so forth. Dx square, 2 square 4, 13 square 169, and 5 square 25, so on. 25 whole square is 625. Similarly I have written the y, nothing but blood pressure values here. Now dy is equal to y minus assumed mean. Assumed mean I am considering it as 50. You can consider the assumed mean as whatever you like. Here I am considering it as 50. 62 minus 50 plus 12, 53 minus 50 plus 3, so on and so forth. 33 minus 50 plus minus 17. Similarly dy square, 144, 9, 1, 625, 17 whole square 289. Similarly dx into dy, 4 dx is 2, dy is 12, 12 into 2, 24 plus 24 plus 13 into plus 3 plus 39, and so on and so forth. So I have completed the table. Now what are the sigma x is 405, sigma dx is plus 5, sigma dx square is 1737, sigma y 406, sigma dy plus 6, sigma dx dy is 1336. So from this one we have to conclude x bar, this is the sigma x only, x bar is sigma x by n, 405 by 8, that is nothing but 50.625, sigma y by n, 406 by 8, that is 50.75. So in the regression equation formula we require this one first. Therefore r into sigma y by sigma x is equal to, this is the formula. So n stands for, n is equal to how much, number of values is 8. Therefore 8 into sigma dx dy 1336 minus sigma dx is 5, sigma dy stands for 6 by n again 8, sigma dx square is 1737 minus sigma dx is 5 whole square. So if you simplify this one, you are going to get it as 0.76. So regression equation y on x is the formula y minus y bar equal to r into sigma y by sigma x into x minus x bar. Already we have completed this value. This value is nothing but 0.76. So y minus y bar, already we did that one, 50.75 equal to 0.76. This is the value of r into sigma y by sigma x. X minus x bar value is 50.625. If you do that one, y is equal to 11.87 plus 0.768 times x. We have to find out the blood pressure of a person having 49 years old. That means x is 49. Therefore, in place of x you substitute 49, you are going to get the y value. Therefore, y value you are going to get it as 49.502. Therefore, for 49 years old person, the blood pressure is 49.502. Okay. So this is about the main one. You have to remember this formula: y minus y bar equal to r into sigma y by sigma x into x minus x bar, where r into sigma y by sigma x is, this is the formula. Okay, this is main important. Okay, thank you.